Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning and Fun with RD. Today I have made a science project on molecular structure of few elements and compounds. First element is oxygen. Symbol is O2, which means two molecules of oxygen. So here I have made two molecules of oxygen by making two balls of clay and joining them with a toothpick. Next is water, which is a compound whose symbol is H2O, which means two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. So I have made two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. Next element is phosphorus, which is P4, which means four molecules of phosphorus. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.